Hi there, my name is Scott Monday and I'm the founder of Kitchen and Bath Crate. What I want to do over the next couple weeks is send you a series of videos that talk about remodel pain points. Now, let me tell you why. Back in 2012, when I came up with the Kitchen and Bath Crate concept, the sole goal was to solve these pain points I kept hearing over and over again from customers. Pain points like remodels take too long, like not having someone walk through the process, a lack of a warranty from a contractor, the fact that contractors tell customers to go choose all their own materials and don't even walk them through the interior design process. Other pain points I heard about were contractors not taking responsibility for the project or things that might go wrong during construction. Also, a lack of a line-by-line proposal. People were getting proposals pretty much on the back of napkins, so to speak, and it just wasn't working for folks. And also, job sites not being kept orderly, or maybe people working on the job that weren't really trustworthy. They're just not the type of folks that you really want in your home. So these are the types of pain points that Kitchen and Bath Crate was created to solve. And what I'd like to do over the upcoming few weeks, like I mentioned, is just send you a couple quick little videos that are going to talk about these pain points, but more specifically, how Kitchen and Bath Crate solves them. So buckle up and sit back. I look forward to communicating with you in these videos, and I can't wait to talk again soon. Thanks so much.